Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to place your design on a can mockup using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open your can mockup file in Photoshop. Now, select the area where you want to place your design using the pen tool. Take your time and make a clean selection. Once you're done, save the selection so you can use it later. Then press Ctrl+D to deselect. Next, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle over the can. Convert the rectangle into a smart object. Now press Ctrl+T to transform it. Adjust the shape so it fits the can properly. You can reduce the opacity to see the can more clearly while adjusting. Once you're done, bring the opacity back to normal. Now, double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail. It will open in a new tab. Place your design inside this document. Adjust it to fit the rectangle. Then save it before close the tab. Return to your mockup. Next, load the selection you saved earlier. Click on the mask icon to apply it. Then group the layer by pressing Ctrl+G. Move the mask onto the group. Finally, change the blending mode to multiply. To make it more realistic, duplicate the can layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Go to Filter, then choose Camera Raw Filter. Reduce the exposure slightly and increase the whites. Click OK. Then change the blending mode to screen. Now, let's set the background color. Load your second selection. Then go to Adjustment Layers and choose Solid Color. Pick any color you like for the background. Finally, set the blending mode to multiply. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.